Thanks for checking out this beginner's guide to maximizing commissions with master affiliate profits. That's what MAP stands for. And my name is Charles Draven. I operate a website called mapsyndicate.com. That's just one out of many websites I operate. I've been building businesses online for over a decade. And I chose to go this direction with MAP because I wanted to diversify my income streams. I think that developing multiple streams of income is a solid way to build a business, especially if it's so simple to start up. So let's go ahead and talk about MAP. And if you are new to affiliate marketing or MAP, I want to provide you with this quick guide. So this was created by Allied International Marketers, which consist of John Thornhill, Omar Martin, and Melinda Martin, Omar's wife. These three are legendary people within the digital marketing space. They've been building businesses online for close to 2 decades, and they've been successful for a very long time. Again, well over a decade, making 7+ figures online. And what you'll see here is that they have built this system that allows you to earn lifetime commissions with a built-in traffic rotator system. And just with this system, you're able to cash in while focusing on building a sustainable business. So what makes this unique? This isn't just another affiliate program. It's a full system designed to help you create passive income. It offers step-by-step training tools to build your email list and even traffic for platinum members. What truly sets MAP apart is the lifetime commissions, letting you earn long after you've made a referral. I want to talk about that a little bit because when people get started with affiliate marketing, they might have heard of lifetime commissions or recurring income, passive income, and all that stuff. I don't want you to get confused because this is a special ecosystem, and most affiliate systems, they track through cookies, IPs. There are other ways, even a hybrid of those. And so what happens is that when somebody promotes MAP, they get hard coded into the system. And so what that means is that as an affiliate, you can promote it, and if people enter and confirm their account through the ecosystem, any purchases made by that person within the ecosystem of MAP can lead to commissions. So again, whether it's days later, months later, or even years later, you could still earn commissions for the long term. So how do you get started? So simply, you sign up. I have my link in the description. I also offer a wide amount of bonuses, some premium bonuses. Right now, I have a special coaching program, and I will provide you with details on that in my description. One of the reasons why I'm not going to go into the details here is because I've actually had well over 4 bonuses since MAP started, and so I don't want this to be outdated. So what's going to happen here is that when you sign up for MAP, you get access to lessons. Even if you sign up for free, you're able to get free training on how to drive traffic, how to build up your business, to get leads, and then also you get a built-in monetization engine, which means that you can make money. And it's a very simple way to start a business. In fact, if you sign up for MAP, within seconds or minutes, you could start building a business. And so that's amazing to me. For those who upgrade to Platinum, the built-in traffic system helps you rake in profits faster by sending visitors directly to your affiliate pages. And what happens here is that the owners of MAP, they promote the system, and the traffic gets split across the whole pool of Platinum members. So keep that in mind. It is a rotation system, and I still build up my business no matter if I'm getting traffic from this rotator system. That's the way you build up a business, especially if you want to accelerate it as fast as possible. So lifetime commissions, I talked about this, especially about the cookies. So you earn from future purchases. And I'll say that well over like 95% of the programs that I could think of that I promoted over the years that have hundreds of products in various niches. I promoted even outside the make money online niche, even all the way from like dog supplements all the way to tools and wood workshop related guides. I've promoted so many things, and it's very rare to see programs that will allow you to make commissions for the long term. What happens is that you go ahead and promote that product, and then what happens is that that vendor, that merchant, that store they get the customer, and any future sales that they make, you do not earn commissions from. But that's different in MAP. In MAP, when they make sales through the MAP ecosystem, you get the commissions. So that's very huge, and that leads to more money in your pocket. So there's something that's pretty cool here. Getting traffic in any business, including affiliate marketing, it is tough. If it was extremely easy, then people would be millionaires, just about anyone. But that's not the case. Just want to give you the straight up truth. Affiliate marketing requires work, but they have something that's built in, and that's the rotator traffic. So for platinum members, you can get this high quality traffic sent to your offers. This feature gives you a head start, helping you hit the big time without spending hours and hours to attract visitors. To me, I believe that this is a great token. I'm super happy that the founders of MAP have created this system where I can get traffic directly from them, high quality leads, and that is an extra bonus above what you get from the MAP ecosystem. Training design for beginners. So when you start up for free, you get the beginner training. It covers email, list building, high converting offers, optimizing your funnels. And if you're not familiar with email list or list building, it's one of the best ways to build up a business online, especially if you're in a high value niche. So if you are not building up your own email list, your database of contacts of prospective customers, or even people that have purchased, then you are losing a lot of money. So this will help you build a list and make money at the same time. Just follow the lessons and you could turn a profit and grow a reliable income stream. Second tier commissions. MAP rewards you for more than just direct referrals. People that are going into platinum level get access to second tier commissions. If you're just starting up for free, you only get the first tier commissions. So that means with second tier as platinum, you also earn from activity from those you refer, just one level below you. Just keep that in mind. This is a second tier affiliate marketing program. It is not network marketing. So this system allows you to grow your savings as your network expands, making it easier to build wealth over time. So as system builder, you want to build up your business, and you want to go ahead and get as many affiliates as you can that are serious about this business. And if they decide to promote the business, and if you are a platinum member, you can earn more. So why is this a great choice? So you can help affiliates succeed by keeping the tool simple and effective. Your leads stay linked to your account forever, and the platform doesn't run competing offers. So that's really awesome. When they go ahead and promote offers from the ecosystem, you make money. I have been in a wide variety of systems, ecosystems, and opportunities and affiliate programs. Again, once you build up their business, they don't send business your way after that. They will send out other offers and make money from them, and you don't. MAP is different, where you can make money. Whether you're new or experienced, MAP gives you the opportunity to secure financial success while building a business at last. So that's the beauty of building up a business. When you send traffic to MAP, you generate your own leads, and you also get your account hard coded to that person that gets brought into the ecosystem. So that whole hard coding process is amazing to me. Final thoughts: if you're ready to take advantage of this affiliate marketing system and you want to get to the next level, MAP is your solid choice. With its lifetime commissions, rotator traffic, beginner-friendly training, it provides everything you need to make a killing. And you could get a free account today. Just go to the link in my description. And again, I'm going to provide you with details about my bonuses as well in the link in the description. There's going to be multiple links, so check it out. And you can also get access to my PDF that shows you the simple way to make money online. That's all for today. My name is Charles Draven from mapsyndicate.com, and I want to thank you for watching this video.